Welcome to Nur Online YouTube channel. This is your boy again. We are going to see how we can be able to activate Windows 10, Windows 7 using CMD, which is a command line applications. So this trick, it works in any computer which is running Windows system, Windows 7, Windows 10, Windows 8. I'm using Windows 10 right now, and this is the trick that we are going to use. There is this application called CMD. This is a command line. It comes together with the computer, and this is the application which we are going to use right now. So what you have to do when you are on this start menu and you type CMD, go direct into the application and then right click on the application and then run it as administrator like that, the way you are seeing it right now. Run as administrator. So we can click. So this is what will happen. Let's wait for it. Okay. Because this trick, it is very important. We are going to use it to activate our computer. Let's wait for it. It is gonna be right here. Okay. Wait. Okay. Now we have this one, but we need this is not the administrator, so we have to wait for this application again. It is the same thing, but we need it we need to run it as administrator, because this is where the trick will work. The command that we are going to use, it will work on this style. So right here we are going to use a command or a code, and this is the code or trick. Okay, I think yes, we are here right here. So this is what we are going to use in order for us to activate our Windows 10 or Windows 7. Let's say you have your computer show watermarks that say that you haven't yet activated your Windows, so you can use this trick. There's a trick, and this is the trick that we are going to use together. Okay, so the first trick is we call it on the site where they teach this, they call it SLMGR, and then just exactly like that. So you need it. So the next move is to put something called rearms, okay, or you can simply put IPK, and then you need to put a window activation serial key, which I'm sharing with you right now here. So this is the keys. I will put the link in the description below there. So you need to make sure that you know which operating system you are using, which version. So, and also I will show you this trick as well, how to find your window operating systems version. So without further ado, let's go direct into this CMD again. We can use CMD, or simply you can simply press the start menu and then R on the system. So this thing will appear, this one, plus R, which is this one. So within this place, you can simply type some code called DXDiag, this one. It is called a DXDiag, and this is what we are going to use right now in order for us to see what version the window we are using. So we can simply click OK to view the version of our window. So from here, what we're gonna do, let's wait, we are waiting. It will appear, yep, right here. So let me move this is blocking our side. So here we have current date, computer name, operating system, language, system manufacturer, and system models, plus the processor, bio, processor, memory, page file. So what we need is Windows, this operating system type, which is Windows 10 Enterprise. This is my window, which is Windows 10 Enterprise. Right here, you have to look for Windows Enterprise if you have it under this. Yes, it is right here. So you are going to copy this code right here, this one. Okay, let me move this thing aside. This is Windows Enterprise. We are going to copy this code, Control and C, or you can simply right click and then copy it. So we can minimize this. So when you want to paste this, you simply have to do the same trick that I shown you, SLMGR, and then /IPK, and then you press in this code, and then you can enter. just like that. When you enter, you wait for it. If it did not work, you also can use other trick where you can simply use slmgr, and then we have something called minus rearm, okay, something like that, and then you can enter it. So this is how I activate my window, and also it can help you to activate your window, and also you can get all the trick from here, from this side. I will share the link with you. So simply follow the tricks, and it will help you. What I can say right now is thank you for watching, and if you are new to the channel, please try to subscribe or share, and yell out. God bless you. Bye bye.